What's going on, YouTube? Back with another YouTube video. It's that one Stang, aka Anthony, back with another video. But today we are going to a car meet. It's at the local drag strip, Sacramento Raceway. It's hosted with Clean Culture. There's going to be a donut pit, car show, and like a couple other things going on. It should be a really good event, whole bunch of cars. I will record it once I get there. Also, just before we start the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Let me know throughout the video what's your favorite car in the comments. Alright, I will catch you over there. I already started my car, so I don't have a cold start video because I was trying to let it warm up. But I will catch you over there. Alright, so we just made it out. We're parked up next to this vet. Got Steven right here. But yeah, I'll show you guys what we come across with in the donut pit and stuff. We're here a little early, so we just gotta go with it and stuff and see how everything goes for right now. But yeah, I got the car all clean this morning, so we should be all good. Got a yours. Ooh, specs nice. Yo, this color is kind of wet though. Ooh. Carbon interior. I fuck with the color change. Yeah, that's what her shit is, huh? The G-Wagon on them. Okay, I gotta try to talk as much as I can because of the music, but kitty cat, you know? Yeah, this is gonna get copyrighted probably, but yeah, this M3 is pretty clean. Not a gray. Oh, you got a LSX swap, Pro Charge BMW. Woo. I probably gonna get copyrighted, but I'm trying to talk, but I'm just trying to show it. Looks like it has Corvette brakes on it too. That thing is wild, bro. Interior fully done. It's clean. This thing is pretty clean. The GT. Ooh. Bright seats. Right hand drive. This thing's clean. Body. Carbon fiber everywhere. That's clean. There's like just like a lot of BMW Euros right now and stuff. Like there's not a ton of muscle. But I'll keep going down the roads instead of showing.
With the steering wheel angle.
Yeah, but not. There's another guy, but his Camaro's clean though. Oof. I'm not a fan of the wheels on, but everything else is clean. Yeah, he does star headliners. If anyone's in the area and you guys want to check him out, go for it. I'm in Coop's way. But yeah. 500 hood?
500 would be cool, bro. You'd be like Sharky.
Yeah, but should I do a 500 hood?
500 hood. And then you got your splitter already, so it would look cool.
I like how you put Coyote in it though.
Yeah.
Down in the bottom.
Maybe what's up?
His is pretty loud though. He got a full cut dash.
Brake covers?
I'm not a fan of the taillights though.
The last time I saw this was at
The GT, like the 4GT taillights. This thing is clean. Bro, I bet this thing chops. It has courses on it. Sheesh.
Oh goddamn! Look at that meat.
The TRX on them. I wanted to hear him do a full two-step.
Oh yeah, he would have. I'm gonna get pictures of these and then go.
Yeah. Doesn't this have the headlight popped out?
That's a clean wrap though, ain't what? Hey, triple R.
Wow, I fuck with this purple a lot. Dude, this color's crazy. It changes everything. Obviously.
Mad rap.
Yeah.
I probably use some like really laid back.
Man, his shoots some big ass flames, bro. I hope he does it here, so we can get it. But I need to blow it like this. That's what I need.
Hey, is that an 88 or 58? What is that? Or is that a spider?
488, or no, that's a 458.
5A, yeah.
Yeah.
You can tell by the rear corner. Doesn't have that.
Yeah. This thing's clean, stock, but it's clean. Ooh.
him a couple seconds. Talk to this guy.
He finally got it. Look at the back, look at the back. charger. Hey bro, I saw this yesterday. So I didn't record an outro there when we were ready to leave. It was after the second round of like drifting and stuff in the pit box and stuff, which it was pretty much the same exact cars, only a couple more cars jumped in. So I only recorded the first part of it where it was the actual people who were doing it for the first time. I recorded a couple of times for the second round stuff, but it was pretty much the same people, so like I said, didn't record it. But yeah, we were they were doing a two-step competition, but it was the same cars, and all of our heads were hurting already because we were out there for so long. So we ended up calling it a night. Me and Coop ended up hitting up Chick-fil-A real quick on the way home. The car was out there. Hopefully in the future we can get some more stuff at the drag strip, like actually doing some racing. But it was cool that they did have a little show going on. So it was the first time I've been to that show. I know they did it like 1 year before, I believe, and it was pretty good, as I heard. But yeah, now it was our turn to go. So it was a good turnout. I didn't really record a lot of the cars in the beginning, just like in the car show part, just because of the music. It was everywhere. Everyone was playing it out of their cars, speakers. They had a DJ, and I would have just had to yell a lot, which just like not worth it to me. I like have to yell and scream and stuff, so I kind of just saved my time just for the pit box. I did have a couple of cars like you guys may see, depending on how the audio goes through, but if not, then obviously you saw the video, and it's just basically like the donut pit and the intro. But yeah, so with that being said, that is pretty much the video right there. So hopefully we can get some more things going on this car soon. Like I said, there might be some booze coming pretty soon now, not anytime too far, might be pretty soon of when that actually happens, so stay tuned for that. I know I haven't been really recording and posting and doing videos and stuff like that, but it's been super rainy here in California, and it just finally cleared up for the first time. So the event got to go today. It was supposed to be like a couple weeks ago, but it was raining. But yeah, so but with that being said, this was the whole video. Like I said in the beginning, let me know if you have a favorite car that you saw in the car show or the pit. What was your favorite? Let me know what you would change on their builds or what you would want just to keep. But other than that, it's that one staying, aka Anthony, out with another video.